Hello, Jessica Frost-Ballas here for Honeybee Stamps. I just love the new Be Mine release and wanted to create a slimline card with the beautiful Up Up and Away set. So let's get started. First, I blended a background panel with scattered straw, dried marigold, seedless preserves, and chipped sapphire distress oxide inks. I love this unusual palette for a sunset scene. I splattered the panel with water and blotted off the excess to create stars in the distance. Next, I die cut the mountains and trees from the Mountain Z-Fold die set from dark gray and black cardstock. I applied a little crystal glaze to the mountains and sprinkled it with puffy embossing powder to create snow on the mountaintops. I also used Copic markers to add a little depth to the mountains. Then I stamped the balloon from Up Up and Away with Versify and heat embossed it with clear embossing powder. I colored it with Copic markers in shades of dark pink and lilac. I used my darkest markers on the top and bottom of the balloon and blended to my lightest shade in the middle. Unfortunately, I had to cut out some of my coloring because I forgot to watch where I put my head, but you can get the general idea from the first few balloon stripes. Once I was finished coloring, I die cut it with a coordinating die. I also stamped a sentiment from Blown Away and die cut it with the wavy flag die. Next, I die cut clouds from white cardstock and vellum and started to create my scene. I adhered the mountains, trees, and clouds and then trimmed off the excess. I also wanted a little sparkle, so I added crystal glaze to the clouds and sprinkled them with Prisma chunky glitter. I added the balloon with foam mounting tape, and then finished the card by adding a liberal coat of Spectrum Noir clear sparkle and crystal glaze to the balloon. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed my card and it gives you some inspiration for the new release. Thanks so much for watching, have an amazing day, and happy crafting. Bye!